Hey guys, welcome back to Mechanics Life. This is Art, and today we're doing the front brake pads on a 2006 ML500. And just want to let you guys know not to start this job unless you have a special Allen. This is a 9mm, which is extremely, if you can focus, yeah, there you go. This is a 9mm socket, 3/8 drive, and this is the only guy that's gonna take off those caliper bolts. Sometimes you can find this in the parts store, but most likely it's either gonna be Mercedes dealership or somewhere online like Amazon or eBay. I'm pretty sure we'll have something like that. So first things first, you're gonna take the wheel off. And right now we have a sensor on this side, so it's going to be on the passenger side, and we have these little caps right here. They have to get both of them off. That's one. That's two. Then what you do is grab a flat blade and find where that bolt is and just pull it out. That's what these guys look like. This is a 9mm. Same thing for the bottom one. To release the tension of the clip here, take this off. Now move the rotor, caliper. There you go. Take the wire, then unplug it. Like that. So this guy, so after that's completed, all we gotta do is press back the piston. So, take that off, and it's going to come out with the sensor, but we're going to put the sensor, the new one, on the new cap. So that's the new pad. This is the new sensor. Pull this guy out. Remove the cap, the connection. We'll put the sensor this way with the wire facing the brake pad. Just slide in, just like that. Then we're gonna slide this one into this hole, just like that, and insert the brake pad. That. Remove the old one from here. install the new one. And for this part, we'll just put that back into that same hole, just like so. Just like that. Now we're gonna put the caliper back like that, and then we'll put those two big boys back in. That'll be one. That will be two. And now we'll just tighten that guy up. Just like so. Then we'll take a regular ratchet and snug it. Like that. Like this. And put those two caps back on. One, two. And don't forget this hardware right here. It's supposed to go back on here. So the way I usually do it, I would place these guys against those tabs here, just like that, and just use my hand to press it in, just like that. There you go. Just like so. And everything is good to go. Now we gotta go put the wheel back on. That. Now we'll find the. There we go. This one. And that's it. Now we lower the car. And we just need a torque gun and torque those wheels to 110 foot-pounds. Thank you for watching. If this helped you in any way, leave a thumbs up, like the video, and comment. Let me know what you guys think. Once again, my advice, do not start this job until you have that 9mm Allen key, because there's no other way you're gonna take this off. Now I know that there's another style of these brake calipers that have the double piston, so those things you don't need an Allen key, and you don't even have to take the bracket off. They're mounted with a pin, kind of like on Toyotas, on 4Runners, same kind of style. But anyways, if this is helpful, let me know, comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.